So, once upon a time, there was a flying purple elephant that did not know how to dab. So, he took lessons from the Avengers.
Really? Because of my pajamas?
Yes.
Avengers.
So he called the Avengers over
Ring,
to
ring.
the house one day.
Ring, ring.
He said, "Hey, Mr. Avenger Peoples, can you come show me how to dab?" And the Avenger said, "Why, sure, we can
Why,
show you
sure.
how to dab."
We can show you how to dab.
The flying purple elephant said, "Well, thank you very much. What do I need to do first?"
Fourth. With fourth, and I turn it on video cam.
Okay.
So boom, boom.
Put on video speaker phone. Okay, so the Avengers are showing the purple elephant how to dab.
You do this, and you
Yes.
do that to dab. If you want to do it the other way, you can do that, and then that.
But I only have one trunk.
Then
So
you
how
can
I
just do that.
I just have to do one
Yeah.
trunk
A lot
all the
of
way across
YouTube
my
work.
face. So
Yeah.
the elephant uses his trunk to dab because I don't think the elephant can get his feet up there. But maybe he could use his wings. You are nuts. Really, you don't say so. So the flying purple elephant finally learned how to dab from the Avengers and then made this gigantic weird face and flew off into the sunset, never to be seen or heard from again till now.